Yeah. So now, so last session we stopped like how to work with leads, but now we'll continue like how to work with leads. Okay. As we saw, like you can able to assign leads by clicking assignment tool here. Right. You have like assign using active assignment rules. When I say Mr. Assignment for owner company X company. But we had a condition before on a industry type. If it is selected like agriculture or energy or communication, it will be updating to internal campus this one, right? So if I click save by checking this checkbox, then only active assignment rules will gonna apply. Lead created. Who will be the owner for this lead? You can see campus Q. You got assignment, right? So lead assignment rule we use
Yes.
particularly for a changing owners. Why we need to do that? As we discussed before, like you might create a lead for different causes like electronics or like a fertilizers or like a medicines, whatever. But it need to be assigned to a appropriate user. Imagine that if you are working from Delhi and if your lead ticket is assigned to a Bangalore person, will that be right? Of course,
No.
of course not. To understand that based on the address, based on the postal code, you can have a multiple assignment rules get defined in your lead assignment session. How to get lead assignment session? If I go to setup, if I go to my object manager, will that be an object manager? No, this will be in home. You have assignment rules. So if you go inside any of your active assignment rules, but you can have only one, and you can have different entries here, rule entries in the sense it will assign to first, second, third. Let's say you might ask me a question saying that what if I define the same criteria? What if define the same criteria, but I assign to a some other person? You understood my point here. You might have a same criteria, but you assign to a different person. Let's say I'll create like new. I'll create new sort order to lead industry. In this case, I select only energy. One thing is enough. I'll select energy, insert selected, and I'll assign to a particular user called integration user. There is an option called marketer. I created a marketer. Okay, save. Now, if I create a lead with industry equal to energy, which owner will come now? Whether it will be a campus queue or it's a marketer, how it works.
I think first it will assign to the campus, then again it will assign to the marketer. So
But how?
finally, marketer.
Okay, finally, your answer is marketer pro. What about Avinash? You agree with Parag or you have a different understanding from this? Okay, let me go and create one
Hello.
lead. Yeah.
I have some issue with the video. Video is paused here.
Mm-hmm.
So
Duplicate, duplicate rules. X company. Okay, and I'm selecting energy equal to industry. Energy equal to, I mean industry equal to energy. Now, Parag, you said like it will gonna create a marketer will be the final owner of this lead, isn't it?
Yes.
So I'm ensuring that I'm activating active assignment rule using active assignment rule, and I'm saving it. So it will come to a campus queue alone. It will not go to the marketer. The meaning here is whatever the condition it meets first from the order, it executes always order. If the condition is already met, then it will not check other conditions. Whenever the first entry comes, first condition meets, first rule meets, and then it escapes from the lead assignment rule execution. Clear?
Okay, so if the first condition satisfied, it will not check further. It will return.
It just
Is
returns
it?
from there.
Okay. But what if we have a different condition? Like for the first, we have a criteria of industry,
Okay.
and if we want some other criteria, so we have to define it in a single entry only, single condition only.
Let's say if
Means
you have
first condition only.
imagine this way, if you have rule equals to energy, rule equals to energy, and I'll keep another one here, okay? Industry and city equals, I'm just saying city only, and whenever industry equals energy and city equals city, then it should assign to a marketer, and it I'm keeping as a rule number 2, okay? But here, if
Okay.
industry equal to energy, we are saying it should assign to a campus queue. Before coming to this, I'm saying that here only it should stop. That what, right? Whenever condition meets, it should return. It will not worry about the second conditions. We'll create the same lead now with industry energy and lead equals to city. New lead. Duplicate to X company. Lead industry equal to energy. City equal to city. Alright? And I'm assigning it. So do you think that this will go and set as a marketer or it will assign to a campus queue?
So it will assign the campus queue.
Right.
Marketer.
It will assign to a campus queue. The reason behind the first condition what it is met, energy equal to, industry equal to energy, which is none, record satisfied, it will go. If you want to make this work, you need to edit this and you need to move this order before to that. So it means it should be 1, that should be 2.
Okay, okay. So that means only one assign one any such rule can execute at a time. We cannot make two rules run,
No, 2
right?
rules you can't run. If record comes here, if it's satisfied, just returns from marketer. That's it. If it is not met, then only it will go to the next entry.
Okay, okay, get it.
Now if I create another lead, saying that Mr. Duplicate 3 and company X company, industry equal to energy, and city equal to city, and I'll say that save. Oh, I need to check. If you don't check, then it will not work. Save it. You got it now?
Yes, got it.
Cool.
Yes.
Any questions here?